G'day. Haven't left, haven't gone anywhere because as some of you might know, Melbourne is in another lockdown because of coronavirus. So I thought I'd just add some new things to the van while I'm here. So one of them is a dining table. Ta-da! This is my dining table, which also doubles as my bed. So obviously that pull goes down and that's my bed. But this gadget here, this little arm, is quite expensive, like just $250, $300 or something. It doesn't even come with instructions. The one I brought didn't. So I just want to quickly show you how I installed it because yeah, it needs to be quite strong because obviously it's a dining table. So let's have a look at how I've installed it. So just let me get in here. So that's the swivel around. That's the base plate, and I had to push it out by like 30 mil. Can't remember why, but anyway, that's what I did. So obviously it comes with 6 bolts. The bolts were too short to go through 16 mil MDF, the frame of the bed, and then some support beams as well. So I've only put 3 in. And then I've got to go and buy longer screws, so 75 mil wasn't enough. So they're the bolts. As you can see, there's a few screws in there. I've got 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, for that base plate, and then another 6, which they're the ones that are too short. You get longer ones, but these are the ones that I've already done. 1, 2, 3 of nylon thread screws. So yeah, so that's how I installed it. So it's nice and sturdy, and obviously it's a swivel. Oh, give me a sec. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, so basically swivels around, and you can whichever way you want it. And then obviously with these handles as well, it goes down, and it'll go down onto these slats, and that forms my bed. So that got done today. I gave that a coat as well of some honey oil sealant. So that's got to dry for 72 hours. And then I can finish my kitchen off. And I did my cupboards as well, which I got to paint. So yeah.